Hi, this is Adama Sawadogo. I'm presenting my first lab project. This is my code, and before I explain how I did it, let me try to run the program um, like this, hopefully. Of course, here you go. So the program says this program takes the dimensions of your wall and computes the amount of paint needed. Enter wall height in feet. So let's say my wall is like my height 6 feet, like approximately 6, and my wall width is say 20 feet. Let's see. So the program gives me wall area in square feet, paint needed, that amount, it's too small, a number of cans needed, 1 can, and that is what the program does. I can try with like other numbers. I don't like a wall like too big that is not um, realistic, but say I want a big wall, like 10 feet high. Oh, I need to run the program again. Okay. I will run the program again for the second time. So 10 feet high and 1,000 feet, you know, long, wide. Yep. And I need 29 cans of gallons of paint. So that's how the program works. Now, how did I get here? First of all, um, I planned the project itself. I knew I wanted to compute um, a total amount of paint needed based on the area and the given area per gallon. So I know all those are already preset. So I needed to define the variables I need in that thing. Number one was to define or declare, I should say, to declare my variables. Like I said here, declare my variables and constants. So I needed the height, the width, and I need to declare the areas because I want to calculate it later. And I need also to declare the final, the constant area per gallon that doesn't change later on. So all the values that I need to use later, I define them. And now the next step um, was how would I calculate a surface area and then the amount needed. So I know surface is equal to height times width in terms of a wall. So I first of all ask the user to enter the height and the width, and after they did that, I calculated the wall area by doing height times width. And after that, I took um, the wall area divided by the area per gallon. it's like 1 gallon is capable of painting, um, let's say 2 square feet. So if I have 6 square feet total, so I would take the 6 divided by 2. So that's how I, figured out I should divide the area by the area per gallon. And when I got that, I wanted to calculate, the number of cans. And in this case, I knew I was lucky that the number of gallon is just 1.00, which is an exact number in this case. So I didn't need to divide it by 1, so it's automatically 1. And so I just rounded the number of gallons into an integer. But why did I round it up with the math that said, or is it seal with the roundup? It's because if I round it down, I may be missing some, amount of painting. It's better to have enough, like too much, than not enough. So that's why I use that seal. And that's it. And I just, you know, I just printed out. Yes. I think that's it. The program runs, and yeah, thank you very much.